Today is Tuesday, the 16th of April. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, fully restored limiting-based power antenna for my friend Dave in Pennsylvania, along with the in-dash modality switch. I've gone ahead and I've rebuilt the modality switches because they were severely corroded and causing excessive amperage, which was burning out the limiting switch in the antenna. So, I've gone ahead and rebuilt this power antenna for my friend Dave, as well as the two switches, one of which is the up-down switch, which is in the in-dash mounting. So in 1973 through 1976, we have delimiter-based power antennas depicted by 4 wires, and these antennas will allow the telescopic mast to rise a limited height anywhere between 8 to 12 inches, depending how you calibrate it, upon turning on the radio. And then from there on, there is the modality switch, which allows the driver to extend or retract to whatever height they desire, hence the independent modality by the driver. So I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. I've got the unit grounded, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to power. And the first thing I'm going to do is test the limiting feature. And we see that we have approximately 10 inches of rise. Again, these can be calibrated anywhere from 8 to 12 inches, actually as low as 5 to as high as 12 inches. Okay, now we'll go ahead and do a retraction. And the unit self-parks. I'm going to go ahead and test the limiting feature again. And we have a consistent rise. Go ahead and retract it. Okay, one more time. And now I'm going to do a full extents. And we have the full 36-inch actuation extension. And the unit self-parks upon full retraction. So this is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado limiting-based power antenna for my friend Dave, along with the in-dash modality switches, which have been restored. And I'm going to go ahead and send this video to Dave and get his okay to ship, reply confirmation, and this unit will be shipping out tomorrow. Today is Tuesday, April 16th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.